Food waste is a global challenge. It affects all of us. It's a sustainability issue because there are environmental, economic, and social implications to the food we waste. For businesses specifically, they carry a significant burden because they're producing that food that ultimately gets sent to a landfill. So all of the costs that they are embedding into that food is lost. All of the energy, the water, the labor, the transportation is not getting utilized.
When a business is trying to reduce their food waste problems, they first start with understanding the food waste that they're generating. So this can entail a food waste assessment where they collect data. It can entail just looking in the trash and understanding what types of food are making it into the garbage. And once you have a better understanding of that, then you can start to assess the options that are available for preventing food waste and for diverting food waste from landfill to a more beneficial use. The next step is getting together a team that can help get everybody on the same page and move things forward. So a team is key. A second key aspect of this is continuously monitoring the results and making improvements as you see fit.
There are many simple solutions that businesses can utilize in order to reduce their food waste. Several opportunities include eliminating trays, which gives opportunities for people to take less food in a buffet, smaller portion sizes or plate sizes, properly storing food, creatively reusing food that's already been prepared in new recipes, including small compost bins throughout the kitchen area. You can do a lot to make a difference right at home. Many of the things that we can do at home are relatively simple. Menu planning, writing down a list before we go to the store so we don't have impulse buys, properly storing food, reusing excess food in new recipes, using smaller plates so we don't end up throwing away our excess food, and reviewing the kinds of things that we are throwing out so we better portion size in the future.
Food is so intertwined with our society, our economy, and our environment. When we talk about reducing food waste, we can really talk about realizing these benefits across all three of those categories. From an environmental standpoint, reducing food waste means we're also reducing all of the resources that go into producing food that's ultimately wasted. And that's also directly related to the economics. So if we're using less resources to produce less food that's ultimately wasted, we're also spending less on these resources. As more and more people start reducing food at the consumer level, at the business level, and all across the food chain, we can start to see a cultural shift in the way we look at food waste and a lasting benefit on society as a whole.